Las Vegas, the city of lights and dreams. It also happens to be the city where entertainers go to die. Just kidding. I love Vegas. It's where I grew up and where I got my first job selling and teaching magic at the heart and center of the city. It was my dream job, and it paid me just $9 an hour. Outside the magic shop was this sign that read, "No refunds." That was 15 years ago. I was 15 at the time, and that really was my dream job. But something really cool happened this week where a subscriber reached out to me and asked if I could come to Houdini's magic shop and bring my friend Alex Pandrea with me, and we could come and stop by. Naturally, I didn't respond, but we did give him a little surprise. So let's go grab Alex.
Hello!
Why are you recording?
I'm actually doing a review of the new Shin Lim deck.
Nice,
What are you
alright.
doing?
I'm at your house. Are you busy?
What do you want to do?
There's this dude who works at Houdini's magic shop, and he's a fan of ours and he wants to see us.
At the Houdini's magic shop, like the magic shops in the casinos?
Yeah. It was my first
Yeah.
job. And so I don't know if my manager still works there, but her name was Julie. She got me the job.
That's actually pretty cool. So hold on. Yeah, I'm down to come because I was gonna go have lunch anyway. Have you guys eaten yet?
No, not yet. Let's go get something.
All right, that sounds good. So I'm gonna do the review of these with you. You're
Okay.
not Shin, but you'll
Okay,
do.
I'll do.
Andre just hit me up, and we're gonna go to the Houdini's magic shop and meet somebody who wants to meet us. I guess sounds fun.
All right, man. So stop what you're doing. I'm gonna go get you right now.
I'll see you
Peace.
in a bit.
All right, then. Bye-bye.
Bye. All right.
What's up?
What's going on?
What's up,
You guys are vlogging too? I'm vlogging, you're vlogging.
We're all vlogging.
Vlogception.
And this marks the start of our day. Also, my friend Alex Pandrea, that's this guy with the camera, is really hungry, and that'll be important later on.
Oh bro, there's a pool party. Should we go?
Yo, we parked at MGM, but we have to walk to New York, which is a pretty far walk. And then we're gonna go to Taco Bell.
He's obsessed with I swear to every time. I'm like, hey, you hungry? Yeah, should we go to Taco Bell? What? I've eaten Taco Bell like once in my life at like 3 in the morning and it was disgusting.
You gotta know how to eat it. You gotta know what to eat. As you walk through the casinos of Vegas, you might have a few random encounters like this one. She thinks I'm taking a photo. Yeah, sure. All right, I'll send it to you on Instagram. I didn't, but I did do cardistry, and as a magician and as a cardist, Alex and I hear this a lot.
So you gonna hit the tables? Huh? You play some poker? I love this. You do some stuff with cards and you go, can you count cards?
Of course we can, but that's not why we're here. We're here to visit Jikh and the Houdini's magic shop in New York, New York.
All right, so his username is Rugrat19, and he's over there performing the Chinese linking rings, a classic in Houdini's. I don't know if Angela, do you want to go visit him first, or should we just go in and surprise him?
I don't know, yeah, I'll go in there, scope it out a bit before we go in and surprise them. I have a quick question for you.
Yeah.
Do you know who Andrei and Alex Pandrea are?
Andrei, Jikh, and Alex Andrei, yeah.
Yeah, I have a surprise for you actually.
All right. How you doing? You're doing good. How are you? Good. Alex, how you doing?
How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you.
You want to see some magic?
You want to see some magic?
That's right.
What, the rings?
All right, I'll take over the narration. Let's see if I still remember. 4 rings turns into a swing for the baby. Then we're gonna curl it into a bowling ball, followed by a blooming flower. Then we're gonna separate it into Mickey or a butterfly, and then my all-time favorite, into the waterfall. The presentation's still the same, but it's still just as impressive.
Let's go inside.
We would spend countless hours in this magic shop looking at the old black and white photographs of Houdini and all the memorabilia he left behind, like the iron chains that he used in his escapes, including this old $18,000 book that he hand-signed himself in pencil in 1911. Look at all of these tricks. In fact, I want you to meet someone.
Hey guys, this is Julie, my first boss. She gave me my first job, I was 15.
Yeah, honestly, he was hanging out at our store since he was like 13.
Yeah.
Always like walking around the store, floating objects and doing like really cool stuff.
Yep, and now we're back. We just wanted to pop in after like 15 years and just say hello and show you guys the magic shop. This is where it all started. This is where it all began.
Absolutely.
Here in New York, New York. Actually, it was in Venetian, but
New York and Venetian, yeah. Absolutely.
Here's something Julie would do. She would borrow a ring and show that there was nothing around, nothing above or below the ring. She would float it through a solid hoop back up and onto her finger. There were so many interesting things on the shelves, like pranks and gags, and even these horseshoe puzzles and these nails where you had to find a way to separate them.
Guys, puzzle. Houdini says in a lot of these puzzles, it's one of my favorite things. Look, hold on. I think I can do
Focus on
this.
Alex.
I'm the
It
focus.
naturally wants to focus on me, okay?
Wait. Oh, I'm so close. Julie, show us how it's done.
Damn, that was faster than I could focus.
That's how you do it.
So basically when you're doing it, so you want this nail head to go through these two, like the V right here.
Right?
So it's kind of be right here, right there.
Wow.
That's awesome.
So good. But I still remember the horse one. I think I remember this one
This
still.
one's easy, let's go.
Hold on, I know it's like twist. Oh. Dang, I almost had it.
Once it gets in the V, you want to keep these two, basically so you can fold it in half right here.
Right.
And then have it small. Yep.
And then you guys remember this one? You can't take it off. I remember we would take it behind our back and be like, watch, the ring.
Whoa.
Bam.
Bam.
Like a rock star. Now we put it on two now.
Oh, you put it on 2?
Yeah,
Ow.
try that one.
Next level stuff right here.
What the hell? Huh.
Oh, you had it.
I did?
Yep, go to the top.
Uh-huh.
Push it over the top.
Like that, right?
Yep, push it right over. Keep going. Gotta snap it over the top.
Oh man, I'm gonna hurt my fingers. Oh, there it is. Wow. Dang.
Heck yeah, so
That's
people
so
know the
good.
original way. We're like, okay, you know
Yeah.
what? We put it behind our back and we'll snap it over. And hand to her like, dude, there you go, buddy.
There you go,
And they're like,
yeah.
oh man, you got me, dude.
The impossible puzzle. So good. Do you know how to do the butterfly? Do you remember that?
I don't think so.
This is called the butterfly cut, and it's a classic of magic that I never got to learn, but it looks absolutely stunning when done right. It's just I completely suck at doing it, but if you guys get a chance, grab a deck and follow along as Julie teaches me this classic move, the butterfly cut.
It's harder than it
I
looks.
haven't done that in like probably 10 years. I don't know.
Do you know any other cardistry moves?
Idea. Oh, wait,
That
when you
looks
work hard.
so easy, but it's not. Damn. I mean, I can do a fake lapel. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You seen that
That
though?
stuff is killer.
Yeah, it's insane.
I'm like, man, it looks like almost like a pop
Like
line
pop,
dancing.
yeah. This stuff,
Oh my gosh.
like so cool.
Alex, bro, you want some food?
I think I'm gonna cry soon. If not, I'll just faint here and I'll die on his vlog, which will be good content, but at the same time, not the best for me.
But you know what they say, you don't get
Nice
famous
to
till
meet
you die.
man. The choice. When are you dropping this?
Monday.
Damn, mine is gonna be on Wednesday. I might just edit it tonight and put it up tomorrow.
Damn, beat you to it.
So we couldn't let Alex starve, and we had to get him some food. We went to Shake Shack. But before we go, I want to show you one more thing.
This is a secret room where you guys take customers to teach them stuff, right?
Yep, fun fact, that chair right there, the blue one is one that Michael Jackson, when he'd come here to shop, because he's a magician, most people don't know it, he'd sit in there and hang out until the store got cleared out.
Can I sit on it
Oh,
for,
yeah,
for 2
100%.
seconds?
Vlog Jack. I just jacked your vlog and I got the content.
Yeah.
All right, I'm just kidding.
This is where Michael Jackson sat, right in this chair.
I would come to work some mornings and my coworkers would say, dude, you missed it again. I'd say, well, what did I miss? And they'd be like, dude, MJ was here. He was in disguise. And I'd be like, I missed him again. Of course, after hanging out with Wicho, he had to get back to work. It was his lunch break, but we had a lot of fun. Thanks so much for hanging out with us, Wicho. So Houdini's was my dream job, and I'm really grateful that magic and cardistry stuck with me throughout my youth. But I have a question for you, and that is, what job is your dream job if money was no object? But you know what? Money is an object, which is exactly why I started this channel, to share my investments within magic, cardistry, and filmmaking, and more importantly, money, which I really don't find all that interesting unless it has some greater meaning behind it. You may not enjoy magic and cardistry in the same way that I do, but you and I, we have something in common, and that is our love and pursuit for something that we love doing. And passive income is exactly what lets us pursue those goals, which is why, welcome to Money Monday, frugal people, this is my dividend stock purchase of the week. A quick disclaimer, guys, before we go any further. I'm not a licensed professional or stock picker. I don't claim to know anything special or extra about the stock market, because at the end of the day, no one knows anything extra about the stock market. All I can do is illustrate and show you guys what I invest in, which happens to be boring blue chip dividend paying companies, and I try to find them at a discount, much like you might go to the mall and find your favorite pair of Yeezys on discount. But let's face it, they're never on discount. And that's really as good as anyone can do. And if you're not sure exactly how to buy a stock, click the video in the description below, and by signing up, you'll even get a free stock. Investing in yourself, whether it's magic, cardistry, or photography, or the stock market, is a lot like going to the gym. You don't have to understand everything about the gym and about your body and about nutrition to get the benefits of going to the gym. The core truth is that going to the gym every day is better than not going to the gym at all. But all that will be a lot clearer as this channel grows into my dream job. Thanks for watching the video. Please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. You'll suck with money less, and you'll learn a card trick or two along the way.